Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amfal Baji, also from the Gambia. Um, I accompanied one of our colleagues, to see some of the, the materials, they purchase, from, the manufacturers here. And I'm really impressed with what I saw here. I've never, thought that, Pakistan, will be manufacturing, such, commodities here. They are really into, mechanization, to be candid. And the products we saw here right now, they are really of good quality. And anybody who wants to go into, mechanized agriculture, I believe, this is the right place for you. To be candid, what I saw here, I am really, like, overwhelmed. I was not expecting, um, a country like Pakistan will be manufacturing, products, of, such quality.
Are you
Thank
satisfied
you all.
and recommend other people?
I am recommending. I'm recommending even myself.
Oh,
Myself, I'm thinking about it. If anytime I want, to go into mechanized agriculture, I believe, this will be the right place for me. Okay. If you go to other parts of the world, most of these, products, are really expensive with such quality, and some of them, the quality is even, not it's not up to that, standard. But when we came here and what we saw, we are really impressed. We are really impressed, with the quality of, the agricultural products, we saw around. Thank you.